Hey, so we're back in California from our European trip, and recently I posted a video from Nuremberg, Germany about how to deadhead geraniums, but I couldn't actually deadhead them because they weren't mine. So now that I'm at my grandma's, I will show you exactly how to do it, but for real this time. Here's one of my grandma's geraniums. It has pink flowers. This one's about to finish blooming. Here are some buds. This clump is definitely on its ending period, and here you can see a seed pod forming. So I'm just going to follow the stem all the way to where it meets leaves and cut. Here's another stem that has withered, and if you go to the end of it, you can see there's like this swelled area, and if you do it right, you can kind of break it off right there if you don't have anything to cut it with, or you can use your nail. Here's a brown one, might come off more easily in the leaf. Here's another one that's completely brown, and I'm just going to cut all the way down here. And just pull off dead leaves. Let's try to pull this one off. If you cut too high on the withered stem, you'll be left with a brown piece like this, so you might as well just cut all the way down to where it meets the stem instead of leaving these. Here's another stem that was cut too high. And here, some more yellowed leaves. Don't be afraid to pull off the yellow leaves and stems. Oh, I just pulled off a whole chunk. But that's okay. I'm so forgiving. And by pulling off leaves like this, you're giving your plant more energy to focus on blooming. Here we have some new buds. Just a few minutes of work and it looks much better already.